Hello everyone, welcome back to the last ending of the first season of The Walking Dead, guys. Hopefully you guys can hear good.
Thanks, Steve. That means a lot. I don't mean to abandon you all, but this seems like an okay setup, and I'm sure things will be back to normal in no time.
Let's hope.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
I was thinking about the dead girl, guys. Oh, it's a pizza driver.
Hey, kid. Close call back there. Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah, we do.
Hey, about Clementine.
Yeah?
Earlier I said there's some stuff out there that might screw up a precious little girl like her.
You did.
Well, I still think that's true. But after what I saw today, I think between you taking care of her and her taking care of herself, you two are going to be just fine.
Thanks, kitty.
You got it.
He's a nice guy, guys.
How you doing, Curly?
I'm okay. You know, considering.
That too.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. It happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. He was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
You alright?
Yeah, definitely. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
I like their face reactions
Wait.
in this one. Go like this, like
How did you
this.
choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
I thought you needed the help,
Ah, that makes sense.
but it wasn't a choice like that. It was just something I did. I don't know why.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Curly.
Supertron had this mini gun on his shoulder. It's all like pow, pow, pow. I thought Super Dinosaur was toast. But you know what? He wasn't. Oh, and then...
Hey, Doc, you want to cool it for a minute?
Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got grabbed again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine, another thing.
What do you want?
Like my daughter?
She's fine.
Fine, huh? Well, just fuck you, Lee Everett. That's right. I know who you are, and I know you're a killer. You go near my daughter or step out of line once, so will everyone else. I know who you are, and I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Hey, Lee,
Jesus.
do you have a second? My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
That guy Doug is dead because of me.
You can't be like that. You're only one man.
I don't know.
We're lucky to have you.
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch, and can stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.
To be continued, guys.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak.
You don't know me anything, Connie. How you doing, Clementine?
I'm really hungry, Lee.
We gotta get food, Lee. Soon.
Howdy, I'm Andrew St. John. We're from the St. John Dairy.
It's beautiful.
I never did thank you for saving Duck from the walkers back at Herschel's Farm.
Something's coming, Lee.
There's gonna be more. The walkers don't worry me as much as the babies.
Never liked my dad. Even back in the drugstore whenever we thought Kenny's kid was big, you went out of your way to side against him.
What's happening?
No more, please! No more, please! Please,
Alright guys, I'm gonna load up episode 2 and I'll be right.
I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably need food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Mark, but I'd take it. We're all hungry.
No kidding. When I accidentally grabbed for Carly's rations the other night, I thought she was going to take off my hand.
We're all on edge. Just cut us some slack.
Yeah, you're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
We'll manage.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way Lily's handling rations.
Letty knows it's important to keep the adults fed and functioning. Sometimes that means someone's got to miss a beat.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
He's got a wife and son to look out for.
And they're safest in a big group. Going out on his own will get them all killed. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
Who knows what Larry's problem is?
Maybe that's just the way he is, but that guy needs to chill out. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in the room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat.
Alright guys, I'm gonna leave the video here.
Got shadow break walkers. Bird's not worth it.
Yeah, I know. I'm just really freaking hungry. Shit, was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit! No, no! Please don't kill us! We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear! Lee, you guys okay?
Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me! Travis! Maybe they can help!
These might be the same guys that raided our camp, and we barely got away from that.
It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you.
Don't listen to them, Ben. Please, just let us go. We're not a threat to you. Kid, chill out. We'll try to help you, but you gotta shut the fuck up.
This is fucked up. Gotta help. Please.
Ben, shut up. My dad was Special Forces. I know what I'm doing.
Just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
We gotta get him out of there.
Oh, God, thank you.
Fine, but you gotta hurry.
Hurry, please. Hurry. Lee, the strap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Oh, no. Shit. Walkers. Lee, please! Get me out of this!
Mark, get the boys back! Kenny, keep those walkers off of me! Come on. I'm gonna have to cut you out.
No, no, no! It has to be now! Try the trafficker! Anything, please! Damn it, Lee just cut off his fucking leg! I'm sorry, but we have to go, now! Lee, I can't keep him back forever!
Is he?
He passed out.
He's alive! Grab him and let's go!
Alright, guys.
Behind you!
Travis!
Come on, we gotta move!
Welcome back to The Walking Dead, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. I'm just gonna wait till they come back.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Come on, come on!
What happened?
Oh, God. Hell,
What's going on?
I have time to explain.
Are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I can do.
Cat, can you fix him?
Jesus, Ken. I don't know.
Lee! What the hell? You can't just be bringing new people here. What are you thinking?
Hey, you want to calm down for a fucking minute?
No, I don't. I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
I thought we could save his life. I'm the one that took his leg. That makes me responsible.
Well, that was a stupid thing to do.
We are not responsible for every struggling survivor we come across. We have to focus on our group, right here, right now.
Well, hang on. We haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
Come on, Lily. These are people.
Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
No?
Fine, you guys fight it out there. Welcome to the family, kid.
Come over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
you like to think you're the leader of this little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Oh, come on. You're being dramatic.
Alright guys.
Everything always turns into a power struggle between you two. I'm not going to be a part of that.
I'm
Hey,
gonna leave
I
this
didn't
video
ask to
here
leave
and
this
I'll
group.
see you in part
Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when there was enough to
7.
go around. But now that it's running out, suddenly
Hi,
I'm a
guys.
goddamn